Friends, again welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the another type of the bioreactor which is known as the tower bioreactor. The tower bioreactor, it is look like a tower, so the name it is the tower bioreactor due to its construction. The system it is the partially closed, that is within the tower bioreactor it is partially closed, in that the inoculum and the raw material introduced into the base of the tower. The inoculum plus the raw material it is called as the wort. As the wort it rises through the vessel, it is progressively fermented and leaves a fermented via a microorganism separation zone, which is twice the diameter of the rest of the tower. Means here the diameter it is more for the proper growth of the microorganisms, where there is the this growth it is appears. Prior to the fermentation, the tower it is thoroughly cleaned and the steam sterilized. The aseptic operation being more important for the continuous process than the batch one. Whenever we are carrying out the continuous fermentation process, within that continuously there is addition of the inoculum and the raw material. For that purpose, the proper sterilization of the material it is important to avoid any type of the contamination which may contaminate the product. The vessel it is partially filled with the sterile wort, that is inoculum plus the raw material, and at the initial stages, these are designed in such a way that these are responsible to encourage the high biomass production by the periodical addition of the inoculum and the raw material over about 9 days of the period. The culture it is gradually increased over the further 9 to 12 days, by which time an approximate steady state may be achieved. Means for the approximate steady state achievement, there is the continuous addition of the raw material and the inoculum, that is the what it is get added. Following the establishment of high biomass within a fermented, the system it is operated such that the what it is converted to the product with the formation of approximately the same amount of organism. Means along with the product formation, the concentration it is over also over the formation of the microbial biomass. In this, inside the bioreactor, it is divided into the two zones. Within this bioreactor, there is the two specific type of the zones. These are present. One it is called as the riser zone and another it is known as the downcomer zone. These zones, these are created with the help of baffle or a draft tube. The air within the fermented it is enters through the vessel from the bottom part of the riser zone, resulting within the upward movement of the medium. Means along with the air bubbles there is also movement of the medium. The upper portion of the medium then enters the downcomer zone and flows down to the base of the bioreactor. Here it is the diagram of the bioreactor, that is the tower bioreactor. Here the sterile zone it is present, which is having the higher diameter where the microbial biomass it is formed. Then within the upper region there is the alcohol outside, means the product removal system it is present. Then there is also the removal of the gases produced during the fermentation process. The cooling and the heating jackets these are present to maintain the temperature of this tower bioreactor. From the below side there is the arrival of the or there is the passing of the sterile air, which is essential for the fermentation process. Now the advantages of the tower bioreactor. The wort residence time could be reduced from about 1 week to 4 to 8 hours as compared with the batch system within this tower bioreactor. Now along with the advantages, some disadvantages also related with this tower bioreactor. That is, it will require the long startup time, the technical complexity of the plant, then the requirement of more highly skilled person to operate the tower bioreactor, the inflexibility of the system in that a long time delays, difficulty in matching the flavor of the continuously produced product with that of the traditional batch product. Means as within the tower bioreactor we are carrying out the continuous fermentation. Within this continuous fermentation, the product which is to be formed, it is not having the same type of the flavor which is produced during the traditional batch product. So these are the some disadvantages which are associated with the tower bioreactor. Now preferentially these tower bioreactors, these are applied within the applied for the different purposes, including the production of ethanol, polyester, and within the large scale aerobic cultures. So it is the information about the tower bioreactor. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and also share this video with your friends. Thank you.